See, this is how I eat a banana.
Is it good?
Yeah. This movie.
Hmm?
This movie, Mom.
You're eating the peel.
I'm eating a peel. Yum, 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 yum.
It's yum yum. Don't eat the peel. Why don't you peel the banana? Show Dorothy how you peel the banana.
First, I go like. First, I go like this.
You peeled the banana.
This is my. I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, you should eat it.
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's like tiger moves. Vroom, 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 vroom.
It's like a tiger?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's like a violin, Mom.
It's like a violin, yes. Is that a big banana or a little banana?
I love banana. This is my one I love, Mom.
Oh, that's just an icky part. Mommy will get it. There you go. Okay, you eat the rest of the banana.
This.
What kind of animals like bananas?
Yeah.
Which ones?
Just stick, Mom.
Hmm?
Stick.
What kind of animals like eating bananas?
Yeah.
Do lions like bananas?
No.
Do birds like bananas?
No.
Do monkeys like bananas? Do monkeys like bananas?
Yes.
They do?
Yeah.
What does a monkey say? Can you say Happy Mother's Day?
Happy birthday, and Mom.
Can't believe you eating that banana. Are you a monkey?
No, I'm not.
What are you?
No.
You're Lauren?
Yeah.
What is it when Mommy and Daddy and Lauren are together?
Family.
Hmm?
Family.
Family. Mm-hmm.
So like bananas. One flash.
What?
And from on a flash.
Oh, you're going to throw in the trash?
Yeah.
Okay.
I throw it.
Good. You want to give the camera a kiss?
Ma.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody. Close this. Can close the top, Ma.
Okay, close the top.
I can't do it, Mom.
Yes, you can.
I'm ready to see, Mom.